You can insert page numbers on the current page, all odd pages, or all even pages. When you insert page numbers on multiple pages, a new master layer is automatically created, and the page number is placed on it. The master layer can be an all page, an odd page, or an even page master layer. Page numbers are automatically updated when you add or delete pages in your document. To insert a page number in Facing Pages view, click Layout, Insert, Page Number, and choose one of the following options. On Active Layer, lets you insert a page number on the layer that is currently selected in the object stalker. If the active layer is a master layer, page numbers are inserted on all pages of the document, where the master layer is visible. If the active layer is a local layer, the page number is inserted on the current page only. On All Pages, lets you insert page numbers on all pages. The page number is inserted on a new all-page master layer. Let's just undo the page numbering for a second. In Single Page View, as opposed to Facing Pages View, numbering can be added to odd or even pages separately. On All Even Pages, lets you insert page numbers on all even pages. The page number is inserted on a new even page master layer. On All Odd Pages, lets you insert page numbers on all odd pages. The page number is inserted on a new odd page master layer. By default, the page number is centered at the bottom of the page. To hide the page number on a single page, select the page in the object stalker. In Pages, Layers, and Objects view, select the page. Click the Options button and click Show Master Layers on Pages. Under the selected page, point to the master layer that has the page numbering, and click the Show or Hide icon. The application hides the page number of the current page, but the page is still included in the page count. All other pages continue to display their page numbers. You can also insert a page number inside existing artistic or paragraph text. If the text is located on a local layer, the page number is inserted on the current page only. If the text is located on a master layer, the page number becomes part of the master layer and appears on all pages where the master layer is visible. You can change the default page number settings before or after you insert page numbers in your document. For example, you can start the page count at a specific number other than 1. This is particularly useful if you want to create multiple CorelDRAW files that will be put together as one publication. You can also specify whether to start page numbering on the first page or on another page. For example, if you choose to start page numbering on page 3 displays the number 1. If you insert a new page between pages 3 and 4, it becomes the new page 2. The old page 2 becomes page 3, the page where the first page number is displayed. Manipulating page numbers as objects. Page numbers are artistic text objects that can be modified and manipulated like any other artistic text object, unless you insert them in paragraph text. When the page number is on a master layer, applying transformations to it affects all page numbers. For example, you can resize, scale, or rotate a page number, change its color, or apply effects such as texture fill or a drop shadow.